Hello and good evening, CSI-135 400 students. The tutorial I'm about to do is going to walk through each of the 3 shell script projects you have to complete as part of the semester. The first project that we're going to take a look at is the SGEN project. So if I have a script called SGEN and I hit enter, it's going to prompt me for my full name. If I enter in my full name and hit enter, the program terminates. Now, it's supposed to generate a file called sgen.out. So let's cat that file, sgen.out, and see what it says. And there you have it. It creates a file that says this is a new sgen.out file. It was created by Travis Bonfili, and the creation date and time are Sunday, April 7th at 8:30 Eastern Time. Now, just to make sure that you don't think that file was pre-staged, let's run it again, and I'll enter in a new name. Alright, and now when we'll cat sgen.out, you can see that Tyler Durden is the new name. Okay, so that's how your first file should run. If the user does not enter a name, that's okay. So let's cat sgen.out, and then it says it was created by nobody. It's left as blank. Alright, so that's the first script, the first project that needs to be completed, and that is due again on May 1st. Alright, let's clear this out. Let's take a look at SGEN2. So SGEN2 is going to ask for your full name. And then it's also going to ask you for the name of the output file. Alright, now let's cat tester. And as you can see, SGEN2 generates the magic number at the beginning of the script for the bash shell, fills out all the same information as SGEN1, and also automatically adds in the code required to run the script. So if I typed in bash tester, which is the name of the file we created, the script should run and say, hello world, I am the script SGEN2. Alright, now let's remember that for SGEN2, one of the requirements was that if the user does not enter a name, the script should give them an error message and then log out immediately or exit immediately. And again, the same thing goes for the output file. So if I entered in my name, if I entered in my name and then did not enter the output file, the script would give you an error message saying, sorry, you needed to enter an output file name, please try again. And then the script would exit. So that's the second project for the class, and that is due on May 8th. Alright, the final project for the class is the script helper, which will present you with a menu. Our menu options are current system date and time, Vader IP address, percentage of the /u/students file system used, the default login shell, and that should be for the user running the script, right? It should show for the user running the script what their default login shell is, and then exiting from the program. And remember, this is not supposed to exit until the user exits from the program. So if I type in D, it shows me the current system date and time, and you'll notice I'm still in the menu. So now if I want to see the IP address, still in the menu, percentage used by /u/students, default login shell. Maybe I wanted to see date and time again. As you can see, it's 8:33 with 41 seconds, and then here it's 8:33 with 59 seconds. And there you go, the time is changing. And once you're done, it's X to exit. Alright, so that's a quick tutorial video for all 3 of the projects that are due as part of CSI-135. The final project, helper, is due on May 15th, which is also the last day of class. Alright, have a great weekend, and have a great week, and I will see you all on Wednesday evening.